Now, here's meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, so far it's the cold air that is making headlines on this Monday morning, but as a low pressure center storm system heads our way, it'll collide with that cold air and give us a burst of both snow, sleet, even some freezing rain, and then eventually changing over to plain rain. And right now, as we look out on satellite and radar, not looking overly impressive over the northeast right now. What we are seeing, though, is a low pressure new storm center that's going to form down to the south here. Now it's going to draw up moisture and enhance the precipitation over southeastern New England as we head into the nighttime hours tonight and tomorrow. And it does look like the bulk of the snowfall is going to be during the overnight hours when we'd have a better chance at seeing it accumulate. Live city cam over Providence right now. It's a hazy sun and cloud mixture. Temperatures unseasonably cool. We should be close to 50 degrees here heading into the second half of March for average high temperatures. We're still below freezing many spots. In fact, the wind chill's still in the 20s this afternoon under mostly cloudy skies in Providence. Newport's a little brighter. East-northeast winds around 9 with a wind chill of 24. Now the humidity is still very low, so you can see that below 40% most spots. New Bedford's at 34, feels like 31. That dry air also helps to effectively cool the atmosphere once the precipitation starts, so that's going to make us more prone to a burst of wintry weather too at the onset of this storm. So your future cast for the rest of today, about 39 degrees, just fading sun, cool and dry. Tonight, snow and sleet developing after 8 o'clock. It'll be a blustery night with an east wind around 10 to 20 miles per hour. And then for your daytime tomorrow, around 44 degrees by the late afternoon. Wintry mix in the morning, changing over to rain. We're expecting a messy morning commute, especially Providence and points northward. Here's the future cast. Now, this is starting us off at 8 o'clock. So again, I mentioned that the snow most likely to arrive after 8, and it's going to really pick up in intensity after, say, midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning. You can see those dark blues and pinks. This is the morning commute starting tomorrow at 6 a.m. Blue representing the snow. The pink is that mix of snow, sleet, and rain, and then rain along the coastline. And again, it takes a while for that rain snow line to work its way to the north. So by the end of the morning commute, 9 o'clock, we're still seeing some wintry mix north and especially west of Providence. And it may take until early afternoon to transition over to plain rain everywhere. And then it's just off and on rain showers through the afternoon and early evening. This is 8 o'clock, most of it lifting away from our area. Before we change over to rain, we're going to end up with about 1 to 2 inches of snow along the coastline. We're looking at 2 to 4 inches for the Providence area across to Coventry, West Warwick, and across the East Bay in Attleboro. Boston suburbs in that 2 to 4 inch range. I should say the Boston metro area. As you travel north and west of Providence and our higher elevations, as much as 4 to 6 inches of snow possible. There's a chance you could end up around a foot or so as you travel into northern Massachusetts and southern New Hampshire and Vermont. 7-day future cast. So again, it's the morning commute tomorrow we're concerned about. Plan on extra travel time for Tuesday morning. Conditions should improve as we make that change over to plain rain through the afternoon, and then lighter showers during the evening. Wednesday, if you can believe it, after talking about accumulating snow, we welcome in spring. Spring begins at 7:02 in the morning Eastern Daylight Time with a vernal equinox. And I did add in some snow showers for Thursday. This is something that our computer models are just starting to show, which is an offshore disturbance maybe coming close enough to clip us with at least some snow showers. So something to watch for your Thursday. Still keeping the weekend dry right now, though still below average for mid to late March, with afternoon highs in the 40s and nighttime lows in the 20s and 30s. Don't forget, you can take the live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast, all of your breaking news and video with you. Just point your web browser to WPRI.com from any computer, smartphone, or tablet.